Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit Bitcoin in your OKEx wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the OKEx app, then go to the assets, and at the assets tab, you can see on the top of the screen your asset total value. And below that, you can see the deposit, withdraw, and transfer icons. Now tap on the deposit icon. And here you can either deposit fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies. And to deposit Bitcoins, you will see at the crypto popular section, the second one is Bitcoin. And when you tap on it, it's going to generate your own Bitcoin QR code and address. And you can either scan this QR code to receive to deposit your Bitcoins, or just tap on copy address and copy your Bitcoin address and receive your Bitcoins this way. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.